The QuickZoom feature in QuickBooks Online lets you click hyperlinked data when viewing a report to either open a new report that shows the referenced detailed transactions if you click a hyperlinked summary report line, or open the transaction referred to by the hyperlinked non-summary or detail report lines. Using QuickZoom lets you zoom in on the data shown in report lines to trace from where the report's lines derive their data. To use QuickZoom in QuickBooks Online, click any report line that appears as a hyperlink, which changes color and appears underlined when you hover over it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.